Hey, Mr. Tripler, this is Lee. I'm just shooting this inside of the Home Depot. Just started a partnership with them. Yeah, just want to get you all the info in writing. I'm sure you've seen at least one option for you, but would like to get you some different ones that you probably haven't seen, aren't really available on the internet, on Google searches, things like that. So it's a no-cost program, whether you do the ownership, where you have an end date of where the electricity bill would go away virtually altogether versus minus the $5 connection fee that you have to pay to your utility company. Or you do the other options that we have. Either way, it's not a penny, not a nickel out of pocket. We're never going to charge you a penny, nickel out of pocket. It didn't look like you have many trees hanging directly over your house. If you are in need of a new roof, we would be able to tie that into it, and it's still a no-cost program. We are responsible for your roof and our equipment. If you do choose to sell your home, it's beautiful, love the area, we would transfer it over like any other utility bill, water bill, gas bill, anything like that. A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, we are very proud of that. And anything else you need, we got some info down below. And hope this video finds you well. Hope you're having a fantastic Sunday. Again, want to get you some different information that you haven't seen. We can do that via email, mail, phone, text, email, 24/7, whichever. We got your back. Appreciate your time, Mr. Stripler. Have a great day. Bye now.